Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Here we are once again reviewing Cars 2 toys, and today I wanted to show you this Wood Grand Prix RaceOff track set. It already comes with one car, RaceOff. Seems to be a really nice track. Let me show you the back here. All you have to do is turn handle to start the race and race to the finish line. It's pretty easy to fold and store it away. The box measures 14 by 14 inches and it sells for $25. So let's open this box. It comes with RaceOff, is a plastic car, all custom painted, just the eyes are paper stickers. Also comes with one sheet of stickers, how to apply the labels, and a 4-page instructions in English. And here's the track set. So lift the lever, push it down, unclick, and there you have it. The handle right here on top is really cool. Everything is embossed. Cars number 2, fantastic design. And it's really easy to assemble, as you saw it. Just a quick note, this is the plastic card that comes with it. Comparing to a die-cast, as you can see, the die-cast is a lot more colorful and the facial expression is a bit different. But they're both the same size, 1/55 scale. So the first race is going to be Lightning McQueen and RaceOff. And don't forget to pull up your flags. So, ready, set, go! So now let's fold and put this away. I didn't really like this track, and for that I'm gonna fail this one. Kinda expensive for what it does, and a few race cars doesn't even work perfectly in this track. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos and see you next time.